upon a time, in a lovely place in nature, soft rain fell gently from the sky. The raindrops looked like little shining stones on the leaves of tall trees. The sound of the falling water was calming and peaceful, as if each drop shared messages of love and kindness. The fresh air, smelling of wet ground and green grass, made everyone feel happy and relaxed. Here, at the heart of this magical place, life flourished beautifully, inviting everyone to embrace the love that surrounds us.